channel. I am back here. I'm with this one, and we are at the Dadong Hai beach. Very hot. So yeah, it's hot as balls. So we're under the shade here. Yeah, and we're chilling. We're gonna
have a coconut.
Yeah, have a coconut. It's a huge coconut. Yeah, and we're gonna be here for a while. Later on, I'm gonna take my drone off, fly around this area. Hopefully it's not gonna drop into the water. Yeah, and stick around.
I've been on the road, out here with the squad. Everybody tryna go, yeah, the party jumping off. Hey, we putting on a show, tryna catch a vibe. We do this every time, like na 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 na. Feeling like I'm on the highway, cause everything been going my way. And now they looking at me sideways. I'm like na 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 na. This is where I wanna be, na na na. Never ever gonna leave, na na na. You ain't gonna get it from me. I'm like na 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 na. This is where I wanna stay, na na na. I could do this every day, na na na. It don't matter what they say. I'm like na 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 na. Say hey, I've been on
Dadong Hai. So yeah, finally got the name right. So if you're wondering where Dadong Hai is, it's actually located in Tiandu town in the southeast of Sanya. Dadong Hai resort area is one of the most popular seaside resort areas in Hainan province.
I'm only living on the bright side. I'm like na 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 na. This is where I wanna be, na na na. Never ever gonna leave, na na na. You ain't gonna get it from me. I'm like na na.
It stretches about 2.3 kilometers long. It's a beautiful crescent-shaped beach. It has fine white sands lined with coconut trees and palm trees, and is a beach with beautiful skies, fresh air, crystal water. There's lots of activities like water sports, surfing, and the nightlife is also pretty good. I spent quite a bit of time at the beach, so I had enough time to take lots of photos. So check out some of the photos that I was able to get at Dadong Hai Beach. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.